Hey, it's Brian at GadsGuard. S23 Ultra install. Very important. Check me out here. So I pulled everything out of the box, right? So here's what you're gonna do. S23 Ultra, right? Fits into the form-fitted install tool. Gonna pop this up right here. Okay, that's number one. So what we're gonna do is we're going to remove the back piece. Now we're good, right? The back piece is gone. Do not lay this all the way down, okay? Do not lay this completely down. It's actually raised. We want to install this and come across the guard. One easy motion starting from the bottom, right? You want to align your camera so it's not down, right? Easy motion, start on the bottom. Come across the device. Camera is perfect on the install, okay? I do this twice, 2 different times, right up the middle. I personally like to take my hands and I like to go right along here with my thumbs, okay? Now the install is here. Now this top sheet is called the cap sheet. I disconnect this, right? I take the squeegee of the paddle, I put it up here in the front, and I'm gonna snap this. You're gonna hear it disconnect, okay? Once that happens, put my thumb here, and I remove it. Your install is done, okay? Real quick, right around the corners, there is your curved S23 Ultra install.